Jingle bells ringing in my ear.
I need like a stabilizer or something. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Welcome to another day of Vlogmas. It is currently, wow, it is already 12:30. We slept in super late last night. It is also our 6-year wedding anniversary. I can't believe we've been married for 6 years, babe. How does it feel?
Gone by quick.
It actually has gone by quick. We actually celebrated last night because we like to go to this like really nice steakhouse restaurant, but they are closed on Sundays and our anniversary fell on a Sunday this year. So we celebrated last night, but we are just going to get some Dunkin' because I was gonna make Dagan some breakfast and then I realized we didn't have any food, and then last night he's like, let's go to Dunkin'. So hopefully they still have the donuts that we like. And then afterwards, we are going to decorate our Christmas tree. I feel like in every video, I'm like, we're gonna decorate our Christmas tree, and then we don't get around to it.
Can I get a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich? Can I get another bacon, egg, and cheese, but on a bagel?
Can we get, how many munchkins do you want? 10, 25?
What color? Or what?
Do you want blueberry glaze and chocolate? Or just blueberry and glaze?
And can I get a 25 of the munchkins, half blueberry, half glazed? And cold brew, medium, just black coffee, medium iced vanilla latte. That'll be it.
Okay guys, so we're back home now. Dagan is pulling our Christmas tree out of my car. Kind of left it in there for like a day and a half. So my car is probably gonna smell like pine for a long time, but that's okay because I like that smell. But I wanted to show you guys these flowers he got for me. You guys, Dagan bought me the most beautiful fall flowers. They actually came in yesterday. It's kind of funny because he had accidentally ordered 2, and so he had called the floral shop and told them to cancel 1, but they sent us 2 anyways. Aren't they just so pretty? And they smell amazing. They have lilies, roses, sunflowers, just a really pretty fall bouquet. But oh, this cute little note. So pretty and so sweet. Look at our tree. She is very full this year. A little craziness going on the bottom. Got a little hole right here, but you know what? She's beautiful the way she is. Dagan's cleaning up the bottom for me so we can see more of the basket. Will you do the honors, babe?
Sure.
Oh, it looks so pretty. Couple bald spots where they plug stuff in. That's okay. I love a lit Christmas tree.
It's lit.
It's it's lit. Okay guys, so the lights are on the tree. It looks so pretty. Dagan actually had to leave to go get his hair cut, so I am gonna finish decorating the tree by myself, but that's okay because I have a chance. So yeah, I'm gonna decorate the tree. I've got all my stuff that I made, like all of my homemade ornaments and everything, and all of my beads, which I'm really excited to put up. So I think I'm gonna put these up first, and then the big old burlap bows that I made, and the acorns, and then I'll kind of just fill in everything else with like some other ornaments that we've had in the past. Also, I'll put these on the tree. These ornaments my grams bought me last year because we took her to Magnolia in Waco. So she bought us a little Magnolia Christmas ornament set. So I have to put those on the tree. But everything else I'm gonna try and keep with like theme with the earthy tones. I'm gonna get to decorating my Christmas tree. It's so cute. I love having a live Christmas tree. Like, it's personally, I think it's just so much better than a fake Christmas tree. Yes, a fake Christmas tree is way easier and everything. You don't gotta hassle with all the mess, but I just love a real Christmas tree. It just makes the holiday season so much better. Look at that face. Okay, babe, will you do the honors, please? I feel like that was so anticlimactic.
I think we could. I'll have to get something.
Yeah. It's like the star and the tree. It's cute. It's our little. It's cute, right? Yeah. It'll work for right now.
Yeah, cut it.
It's unique. Yay! I like it. Do you like it?
Looks great, babe. The bows and the beads.
The bows and the beads. It's different. I like it. I wish we had a fireplace though. Okay, so I need to take a break from editing because I realized I didn't close out this video, but I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for hanging out with Dig and I while we decorated our Christmas tree. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below if y'all already have your tree up, and yeah, I will see y'all on the next one. Bye!